Welcome back students to the class of psychology. So let's continue our topic. We are studying the basis of human behavior, under which we studied the biological basis of human behavior. So students, we studied the nervous system. So now we are continuing our topic, the endocrine system. In the last module, we studied about the pituitary gland as the endocrine gland, which is known as the master gland also. It plays very important role in the secretion of another gland's hormone, okay, and it is the main function of pituitary gland are the two. The first, it plays very important role in the growth of the human beings, like in the height, okay, and the another important role is pituitary gland is to control and regulate the hormone secretion by the other glands, okay, and through the secretion through the hormone secretion of other glands, it regulates and controls the ह्यूमन बिहेवियर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज इफ़ अगर ये सारा जो हार्मोन सिक्रेशन है वो एक बैलेंस, एक इक्विलिब्रियम में चलता है, तो हमारा बिहेवियर जो होता है वो एक वेलबींग की तरफ रहता है. बट अगर हमारा जो ग्लैंड के थ्रू जो सिक्रेशन है, जो हार्मोन सिक्रेशन है, विच इज़ नॉट रेगुलेट, सो आर बिहेवियर इज़ ऑल्सो गेट डिस्टर्ब. ठीक है, और जो हमारी पर्सनालिटी है, जो हमारा फिज़िक है, और जो हमारे फिजियोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, एज वेल एज हमारे जो साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, वो भी डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं और इरेगुलर हो जाते हैं. तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जितने भी हार्मोन सिक्रेशन है वो हमेशा रेगुलर रहे, एंड इट रेगुलेट्स बाय द pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is divided into the two parts, the posterior pituitary gland and the anterior pituitary gland, which we studied in detail in last module. So now let's continue our endocrine system with another gland, is the thyroid gland. Now you can see in the picture, students, you can see in the picture, the thyroid gland is situated, it located in our neck, okay, in our neck. The thyroid gland, the thyroid cartilage, right lobe and the left lobe. It has the two lobes, the right lobes and the left lobe, okay. In the right side of this figure, you can see the clear figure of the thyroid gland, the right thyroid gland and the left thyroid gland, larynx, trachea, okay. These things in our body control our voice also, okay. So now let's study in detail what is the thyroid gland. So the thyroid gland, or just thyroid, is one of the largest endocrine gland and consists of two connected lobes. We just recently seen in the figure also. Each lobe is about 5 cm long and 3 cm wide and 2 cm thick. So the thyroid gland is a butterfly shaped organ. The thyroid gland is found in the neck and below the thyroid cartilage, from which forms Adam's apple. Students, the thyroid gland also known as the Adam's apple because of its shape. जो shape होती है, because of its shape it is known as the Adam's apple also, and it secretes thyroxine hormone, also called T4. The thyroid also produces calcitonin, which plays role in calcium homeostasis, because thyroid gland also regulates the calcium जो homeostasis होती है, calcium का जो क्वांटिटी जो होती है उसको भी रेगुलेट करता है, जो उसका वर्क परफॉर्मेंस होती है कैल्शियम की, उसको भी थायराइड ग्लैंड ही रेगुलेट करता है. सो द सिक्रीशन, द हार्मोन इज द थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन, विच इज सिक्रेटेड बाय द थायराइड ग्लैंड. सो द मेजर फंक्शंस ऑफ द थायराइड ग्लैंड इज, the thyroid gland controls how quickly the body uses energy, makes proteins, and controls how sensitive the body is to another hormone, okay. Other hormones are which is secreted by the other endocrine glands. So these hormones regulates the growth and the rate of function of many other systems in the body. So the thyroid hormones act throughout the body, influencing metabolism, growth and development, and body temperature also. Students, please keep in mind our last module of the pituitary gland. As I told you, pituitary gland controls and regulates the secretion of the hormone by the other glands also, okay. So that's why जो थायराइड हार्मोन होता है उसका भी वो रेगुलेट करता है. सो थायराइड हार्मोन जो होता है, इट इज़ very plays an important role and influence metabolism of the human beings, body development and body temperature. So during infancy and childhood, adequate thyroid hormone is crucial for brain development. So it is very important for the brain development during the infancy and the childhood. So in short, we can say thyroid gland located in the neck, it produces thyroxine hormone, and it controls muscles function, metabolic rate, body temperature, appetite. If the thyroid hormone, the thyroxine hormone, irregulate in our body, we will become वेरी फैटी एंड सम टाइम वी विल बिकम बिल्कुल थिन से बिल्कुल स्लिम हो जाते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. तो इट इज़ द मेटाबॉलिक, ड्यू टू द मेटाबॉलिक रेट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, बॉडी टेम्परेचर को, एपेटाइट को, सारी चीज़ों को हमारा थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन जो होता है इट रेगुलेट्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, अनदर हार्मोन इज द एड्रिनल हार्मोन. नाउ यू कैन सी द इन द फिगर ऑल्सो दैट द एड्रिनल हार्मोन इज लोकेटेड on the kidney. We are having the two kidneys in our body. Okay, so the right adrenal gland and the left adrenal gland you can see, and the cortex and medulla, these are the two types of adrenal gland in our body. Now you can see in the figure the जो दो ऊपर शेप नज़र आ रही है हमें किडनी के ऊपर, that is our adrenal gland, the cortex adrenal and the medulla. Okay, so now we will study now in the detail. The adrenal glands are two glands that sit on top of your kidney that are made up of two distinct parts, the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. They are also known as suprarenal glands. So the adrenal glands are two triangular shaped organ that measure about 1.5 inches in height and 3 inches in length. The major functions of adrenal gland is the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla have very different functions. So one of the main distinction between them is that the hormones released by the adrenal cortex is necessary for the life, and those secreted by the adrenal medulla are not necessary for the life, but very plays an important role in human behavior. So in short, we can say that adrenal gland located above each kidney. Okay, it has two parts, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex secreted the corticoids, the hormone corticoids, which regulates and controls the mineral, salt, water balance and glucose regulation in our body. And adrenal medulla secrete the hormone catecholamines, okay, which again secrete the two hormones, epinephrine, adrenaline and norepinephrine, the noradrenaline. Okay student, so they plays a very important role in our body. Okay, अब जो adrenal medulla के through जो hormone release होता है epinephrine and norepinephrine, these are plays important role in our sympathetic nervous system. जो sympathetic nervous system work during the arousal of our body. किसी भी emergency situation में जो हमारी body जो हमारी बॉडी में अराउजल्स होते हैं, लाइक जो ब्लड स्ट्रीम्स होती हैं, ब्लड का जो फ्लो होता है वो बढ़ जाता है, हार्ट बीट जो बढ़ जाती है, हमारी ब्रीदिंग जो बढ़ जाती है, it is a major function of our sympathetic nervous system. And these two hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine, adrenaline and noradrenaline, plays a very important role to regulate the functions of the sympathetic nervous system during the arousals. Okay, the very important thing इस हम लोग इसको समझ सकते हैं एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू, लाइक जो हमारे एथलीट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जो वो रेसिंग करते हैं, आपने रेसिंग करते किसी एथलीट को देखा है, तो जब वो लास्ट बिल्कुल अपने पॉइंट पे पहुंचने वाला होता है तो उसमें यही वाले हार्मोन्स बहुत ज़्यादा सीक्रेट होने लग जाते हैं, जो कि उसकी बॉडी को फुल पावर और फुल बूम दे देते हैं कि वो फटाफट से अपनी लाइन को जो इसका डेस्टिनेशन लाइन है वहाँ तक वो पहुँच सके. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट role which is played by the adrenal gland through the epinephrine and norepinephrine, which is known as the adrenaline and noradrenaline. Okay, and these are the hormones. Okay, now another important gland is the pancreas. Now you can see in the figure, this is just near the stomach in our body. The yellow part you can see, this is the pancreas, the yellow part, this is the pancreas. Okay students, so the pancreas is unique in that it's both an endocrine and exocrine glands, and in other words we can say the pancreas has the dual function of secreting hormones into blood, endocrine, and secreting enzymes through ducts, exocrine. Students, in our last module, in the previous module, I told you about the exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands are having the ducts. Through ducts they secrete they are chemical substance, and endocrine glands जो होते हैं they are the ductless gland, ओके, एंड बिकॉज देयर जो हार्मोन सिक्रीशंस जो होता है वो डायरेक्टली हमारी ब्लड में मिक्स हो जाता है. बट द पेंक्रियाज इज अ टाइप ऑफ हेट्रोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स. आई टोल्ड यू हेट्रोक्राइन ग्लैंड विच परफॉर्म the functions and the role of the both hormones, the both glands, endocrine and exocrine, जिसमें कि endocrine और exocrine के मिक्सअप कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं. ओके अब क्या होता है, पैंक्रियाज जो होता है वो क्या करता है, वो एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम की तरह भी वर्क करता है और एक्सोक्राइन सिस्टम की तरह भी वर्क करता है. Okay, so the pancreas is a 6-inch long flattened gland that lies deep within the abdomen and between the stomach and the spine. Okay, and it is connected to the duodenum, which is part of the small intestine, and it secretes insulin. जो pancreas होता है, one side it secrete as a endocrine system, we can say it secrete hormone which is known as the insulin, and the another hand it perform functions of the exocrine glands also, because it secretes some enzyme to digest our food. So the major function is the pancreas maintains the body's blood glucose sugar balance. Primary hormones of the pancreas include insulin and glucagon, and the both regulate ब्लड ग्लूकोज. जो भी प्राइमरी हार्मोन्स होते हैं पैंक्रियाज के वो इंसुलिन और ग्लूकागोन है, जो कि हमारी ब्लड ग्लूकोज को रेगुलेट करते हैं. एंड डायबिटीज इज द मोस्ट कॉमन डिसऑर्डर एसोसिएटेड विद द पैंक्रियाज. इफ द सिक्रीशन ऑफ द इंसुलिन and the glucagon irregulate in our body, it causes the diabetes, which is a very famous disease in our okay. So in short we can say about the pancreas that pancreas lying near the stomach, it also secretes hormones called insulin and the glucagon. Insulin helps the liver to break down glucagon for use by the body or storage as glycogen by the liver, and deficiency of insulin causes the diabetes. because जब I told you ना, जो हार्मोन्स होते हैं, जो पेंक्रियाज का हार्मोन है इंसुलिन, इफ इट रेगुलेट्स इट कॉजेज द डायबिटीज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, पेंक्रियाज called as performs the functions of both glands, endocrine glands and the exocrine glands, okay, because it secretes the hormone, the insulin and the glucagon as the endocrine gland, and as the exocrine gland it secretes the enzymes to digest our food. Another hormone is the another gland is known as the gonads. Gonads refers to testes in males and ovaries in females. Okay, it secretes hormone called gonadotropic hormone, and this gonadotropic hormone regulates the function during the puberty, 10 to 14 years of age in a human being's life. Okay, and this is different in the males and the females. Okay, so in males it known as the testes. So the testicles are a pair of sperm producing organs that maintain the health of the male reproductive system. The testes are twin oval shaped organ about the size of a large grape, and they are located within the scrotum, which is the loose pouch of skin that hangs outside the body behind the penis. Okay, and the major function and disease of testes, the testes secretes the testosterone hormone, which is necessary for proper physical development in boys. So in adulthood testosterone जो हार्मोन होता है maintains libido, muscle strength, bone density, the voice, you can see the beard on the face of boys. So these are the secondary sexual characteristics which is regulated and maintained by the testosterone hormone, and disorder of the testes are caused by the too little testosterone production. Okay, the another so in short we can say the male gonads known as the testes, and which secrete the hormone known as the androgens or testosterone, which is responsible for deepening of boys, hair growth, height, weight, feature and production of sperm, and these are known as the secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, the another is the ovaries, the gonads. The another endocrine gland of the gonads is the ovaries, which is in the female. So the ovaries are oval shaped and about the size of large grape. They are located on opposite ends of the pelvic wall on either side of the uterus. So the ovaries are each attached to the fibria tissues that connected with the ovaries to the fallopian tube, and ovaries produce and release two groups of sex hormones, the progesterone and the estrogen. So the function and the disease of ovaries. The ovaries maintain the health of the female reproductive systems, and diseases associated with the ovaries include ovarian cyst, ovarian cancer, menstrual cycle disorders, and the polycystic ovarian syndrome. So these are the major function which regulates by the hormones of the ovaries. So in short, we can say the female hormones follows a particular cyclic period. Okay, the ovaries secrete the two hormones, the estrogen and the progesterone. Estrogens responsible for the primary sexual characteristics like breast muscles, round hips, widen pelvis, etc., and the progesterone responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics like preparation of the uterus. 28 days का जो cycle होता है उसके लिए जो preparation of the uterus which is responsible and regulates by the progesterone hormone. Okay, so the progesterone hormone has no role in sexual development also. It is very important fact. Okay, so students, that's all for the endocrine system. In endocrine system we studied the different glands or endocrine glands. Okay, so the secretion of the endocrine glands, which is known as the hormone, which directly mix into our blood, is very important, because if the irregular hormone, imbalanced hormone secretion स्टार्ट इन आर बॉडी, तो क्या होगा कि जो हमारा बिहेवियर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, बिकॉज जो हमारा एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है इन ह्यूमन बिहेवियर ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ ड्यूरिंग द स्ट्रेस टाइम अगर हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस जो होता है वो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट हो जाता है. जैसे किसी कोई पर्सन जो होता है वो स्ट्रेस फील करता है, तो जो हमारे हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस होते हैं वो स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, और फिर हमें उसको बैलेंस करना पड़ता है वापस से हमारी बॉडी को थ्रू द मेडिकेशंस, थ्रू द अदर थेरेपीज़, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, उसके थ्रू उनको रेगुलेट करना होता है, जिससे कि हमारा जो स्ट्रेस लेवल है वो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल हो जाए. सो दैट्स वाई जो एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम है, जो हमारा एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं हमारे ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को रेगुलेट और कंट्रोल करने में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो.